sucks. What's the matter with me? I smoke a lot. I smoke 7,000 packs a day, okay? And I am never quitting, all right? I don't care how many laws they make. What's the law now? You can only smoke in your apartment, under a blanket, with all the fucking lights out? Is that the rule now, huh? The cops are outside. We know you have the cigarettes. Come out of the house with the cigarettes above your head. You'll never get me, cop. I'm never coming out, eh? I got a cigarette machine right in my bedroom. Yeah. I not only smoke now, I make noise when I do it. I go... Sick and tired of these speeches from the non-smokers. It's always the same speech. Oh, yeah.